I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on the developer mode on Discord. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So this works for the Discord desktop application, or you can do this on the website as well. All you need to do is go to the user settings at the bottom left, and then you will need to scroll down until you see advanced. And the first option is the developer mode. So this will basically give you more details and more items that are helpful for people writing apps. So if you enable this, then you can also enable the application test mode if you want, if you are trying to create an application. And now with the developer mode, you have more features available. For example, you can see a user ID and a channel ID, and you also have more options on the servers. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.